So the percentages of women in each of the weight categories is given. Notice that there are 4 categories: underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obese. They cover all possible weight categories, and there is no overlapping between the weight categories. Since all the probabilities in legitimate probability distribution add up to 1, we determined in the previous problem that the probability of obese is 0.24. So when we add all these probabilities, the probabilities add up to 1. Now, what is the probability that a randomly chosen woman in this ethnic group is either obese or overweight? So the important word here is or. Or is associated with the rules of addition. Now, before we know which rule to apply, we need to determine whether the two events, obese and overweight, are disjoint or non-overlapping. So by definition, the two categories, weight categories, are non-overlapping. If someone's obese, they're not considered overweight, and if someone's overweight, they're not considered obese. So the rule that we apply here is the simple addition rule, where we simply add the probabilities of each event. Probability of obese plus the probability of overweight. The probability of obese we've determined is 0.24, and the probability of overweight is given to be 0.23. So the probability of overweight or obese is 0.47, which is close to 50%. 50%, about 50% of the women are either overweight or obese.